Must be pushing!
Faster, faster!
This is an impossible game.
Oh, he should have got off now.
What?
He just cheated. He pressed the other button. Wow. No.
Look at that power.
Yeah, that was one cheat and one win.
How?
Oh, hang on. Stop. Stop. No. Why isn't he going?
I still won. I still won.
It wasn't triggering. I won that loads of times and it just didn't trigger.
I know.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.